Saul versus David, two responses to exposure. This contrast is massive. Both kings fail, both are exposed. But exposure affects them differently. Saul's greatest concern after sin is image. He tells Samuel, "Honor me before the elders." That line reveals the disease. Saul fears loss of status more than separation from God. That is pride in biblical form, self-preservation above truth. Saul wants kingdom without surrender. His insecurity eventually mutates into paranoia, jealousy, and control. Why? Because self-exalting leadership becomes terrified of losing elevation. Pride always produces fear eventually. Because if identity is built on position, everything becomes threatening. David also sins terribly, but eventually David collapses inwardly. Psalm 51 contains no image management, no excuses, no reputation strategy. Just, against you, you only, have I sinned. David survives spiritually because brokenness enters him. That's one of Scripture's deepest mysteries. Brokenness can save a soul from becoming permanently false. This is why some suffering is mercy in disguise. Without collapse, certain people would become unreachable.